FPS is the final testing and sealing of our ACM. Mangyayari po doon, magkakaroon po ng votation, gagawin po ng electoral board ang yung gagawin nila sa during election day. This is for the purpose of testing kung operational and functional po ang ating mga ACM. And then meron po silang pipiliing 10 voters para po mag-mock voting po, para matry po yung ACM, matry po yung printing ng ating ERs, pero up to 9 lang po, 9 election returns na po. Hindi po nila ubusin. And then, hindi po magkakaroon ng transmission ng data during FPS. Bali, doon na po yun sa election day. Sa role naman po ng PNP, I think they are, naka-duty naman po din sila during FPS, sa mga voting centers.
Point of clarification lang po doon sa gagamitin na 9 or 10 na ballots. Saan ang gagaling yun? Is it distinctive from the ballots na nilagay na sa
Opo, separate lang po yun. May nakalaan po talaga na 10 ballots po during the FPS at hindi po yun pupunin dun sa mga official ballots na gagamitin during election day. Iba lang po yun.
One last question po for Brigadier General Tumigan. On the implementation of our Comelec gun ban, sir, do we have a serious record on purification of loose firearm po as of now?
Meron tayong mga accomplishments. I think, may I look at my record para I will give you very specific details. Able to read it. I think we have 60 accomplishments on the gun ban violators, and 2 of which are security guards, and 1 is from the AFP. Yeah, tama ako. We have 60 violators, and the 3 were 2 security guards at saka 1 AFP. My apologies, ang dami ko, sige. Hindi ako masyadong particular sa data pero napansin nyo naman, tama yung figure na naman ito. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Our next